Hello everybody, my name is John Freddy Salazar. I'm 44 years old. I live in the Loma town, Cesar, but I'm from Palmira Valle. I work as a diesel mechanic in a coal mine, where I have 20 years of experience so long. I've done several courses in the Sena Virtual. One of them was English until the intermediate level. It course consists of 9 levels. I developed 4 levels. And now I'm doing my professional career to becoming an English teacher to work in a school or college level. Right now, I come with a B2 English level according with the CEFR, Common European Framework Reference. I achieved this level thanks to the English course that I prefer in the Sena Virtual. But furthermore, thanks to the great effort I did throughout my study life. For instance, I always have kept on time, tasks constantly, watching movies, videos, and documentaries, all those in English. This exercise serves for improve my listening skill, and when I want to improve my speaking skill, I always have to try to speak everything in English. About the strategies, the first strategy that I want to explain is to travel abroad. I consider that this strategy is so useful for people which is learning a new language, in this case English, but this strategy serves for all the language, because of this way the people can know different customs and hold conversation about them at the same time to be thoroughly familiar with a foreign culture, what is so relevant at the moment, and improve the listening ability. The second strategy is, and I think is the most powerful strategy for improve the English speaking skill, is speaking in English all possible and at all moment, at work, at the street, and inclusive at home, when you are having lunch, taking a shower, among others. Other strategy, and the last one, is in some cases and in some times is when one is speaking in English, we need to be concentrate more in the fluency instead of grammar. Of this way, you will sound better. Your pronunciation is a key for you, so for your conversation sound better as a native speaker. Then with the time you can go applying grammar to your conversation step by step. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye, and blessing for all.